friends, welcome back to the Cheat Channel. It's been some time, but we're back. I ain't gonna make no promises that we're gonna be full swing, but we're gonna be swinging nonetheless. We're gonna fix this thing. Again, rebuilt her about a decade ago. Sprung a leak. Should have fixed it. Should have fixed it. As you've seen, heard, experienced with me. She blued up? Not really. It didn't really blued up. Let me show you what I found. Not really too surprised. I went to Liberty and already did the fun part. I don't know if you guys can see the glitter. All the chunks. You see them? This bearing went bye-bye. This one down here. Needless to say, I think we're gonna pull the engine. Things got a little carried away. I got the engine out. Whoa! Haha. Well. Yeah. It's pretty rough. Aha!
2,000 years later.
So as you can see, the bearing did a little damage. It's been some time since I did that.
Eventually,
But here's the bearing. The biggest chunk that's left anyhow, okay? And what I done, and I have parts galore. I took another piston rod, the decent bearing, not new, and put it in. And it's still, there's a lot of play there. So the crank has also got some damage there. So we're gonna make use of that turbo motor in that hatch that I've got. I just think that's the most logical option. Some of y'all might think I'm crazy robbing all the parts off one car for another, but hey, one's already tagged, insured, and ready to hit the road. So, and it has a good front glass, the other one doesn't. There's some factors. And I think just doing a swap will be the easiest part. But let me show you some of the damage. This is the combo that came out. I don't know if y'all can see, but it has also rounded the edges a little bit, and here drags real bad, and there's some scars like that on the crank too. So like, here's a good cap. See that nice like chamfered edge, and it's beveled and it's all pretty. There's the one that came out of it. Just a comparison. Because I tried to throw a bearing on this one too, and you know, it just didn't work. Just a little comparison. Yeah, you see that too. But yeah, I just thought I'd share that with you guys. That's that's the fate of this for right now. Maybe when we're in a better place, we can get the crank cleaned up, get some oversized bearing, if we got to. I'm sure that's what it's gonna take. But for now, that's it. We'll catch you in the next one when we figure out what we're gonna do with that turbo motor. Like, share, subscribe, tell all your friends. It's been a minute, but we're back up in it.